today we have a 2018 Subaru WRX, and on this one we've found some challenges with installing our kit, and those challenges come in the form of this additional plastic plate that Subaru decided to add. Don't worry, all we're going to do is just remove that. There are some other variants where you can actually tuck the lower bracket between this plastic and the mounting point that you need to access to. So today we're actually just going to go ahead, remove this, and to do so it would be a screw right here, a screw right here, an insert up here, a screw on this lower side right here, and then another insert. And once those are all removed, you can go ahead and slide this out. And then another tip that will make it easier is if you have this rear valance in the way, is just removing the two extra inserts here so that you can flex this just a little bit more to get your bottom insert in. Now that we're finishing up the install on this rear mud flap, we have our leftover parts here, and with this having the lower valance, we're actually going to do a trick with these parts that are left over. You can see after we've tightened it, it's contorted and started pulling the bottom of the flap away right here, and so there's just a small gap. And we know that that plastic mounted inside here, so there's already a hole. So if you come down in here, you can see the hole just right there. So we're going to use that as a guide. We're going to take an 1/8 inch drill bit and drill right through our flap. And now that we have that hole, we'll use the factory screw and factory clip to secure that lower point, bringing this flap right up to the body. Screw. Go ahead and get it started. Now, once our screw is poking through, we're going to take this clip and we're going to place it over the screw, using it like a nut. And now we'll just tighten into that. And with that done, you can now see the gap has been closed. It sits nice and flush up against that bottom valance. You have a little additional support down there, and yeah, it's just a good trick if you have these additional body components and want to install our flap. We're just going to go ahead and use what we have here and mount it even better. So thanks for watching, guys. That's just a little tip on this 2018 Subaru WRX. Hopefully it helps you with your install.